Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel FASTCABLING. So are you struggling with weak or unreliable Ethernet connection at home or in the office? Today in this video, we've got you covered with solution to extend your Ethernet network and boost connectivity. And if you have any questions with your system design, please feel free to contact us through the link down in the description box below. And our team of experts will provide you with a solution that tailored to your specific need. So understanding Ethernet extension is pivotal for maintaining a robust and reliable network infrastructure. At its core, Ethernet serves as the foundation for wired network connection, facilitating the seamless flow of data between devices. However, various scenarios might necessitate Ethernet extension to overcome limitation in standard configuration. This becomes crucial in situations where physical reach of Ethernet cables falls short, such as in large office spaces, industrial settings, or when connecting devices across considerable distances. An Ethernet extension ensures that the efficiency and stability of the network are upheld, and offering a solution to extend connectivity where standard setup might prove insufficient, and thereby contributing to the overall resilience and adaptability of the network infrastructure. And wired Ethernet extension method offer diverse solutions for extending network reach, and each with its own set of advantages and consideration. Ethernet cable extension evolve using various cable type, and each with specific length that can affect network performance. While longer Ethernet cable provide flexibility, there are pros and cons to consider, including potential signal degradation and a distance limitation of 328 feet. That's about 100 meters. So Ethernet or PoE extenders can provide an effective plug-and-play solution by amplifying signals and enabling extended connectivity without significant infrastructure change. On the other hand, PoE switches leverage power over Ethernet technology to extend network reach and power devices over long distances. And while they offer increased flexibility, the use of switches introduce consideration such as potential network congestion and increased complexity. So understanding this wired Ethernet extension method can empower users to choose the most suitable solution based on your specific network requirements and environmental constraints. And for recommendations, let me introduce to some of our extension tools. Now this one right here is our waterproof Ethernet extension kit. Now it offers a cost-effective way to extend your Ethernet network to 100 meters, carry data at a maximum speed of 100 megabits per second, and providing seamless communication between devices. And this Ethernet extension kit includes an Ethernet extender and a PoE injector, and is compatible with a wide range of devices, including IP camera, access point, and network switches. And next here, we have our 2-port 802.3 BT outdoor PoE extender. It allows one PoE in and two PoE outs to meet IP cameras or other devices beyond 100 meters with gigabit Ethernet, and a 30 watts high power and 1000 megabit per second gigabit transmission is available. And only one PoE cable is needed if demanding for supporting two remote IP devices. And down here we have our 95 watts waterproof PoE extender with up to 60 watts PoE output power, and reliably extend the Ethernet port to devices beyond 100 meters even in extreme harsh environment, and no hassle of new Ethernet cable running, and no external AC power supply is required. It is IP67 waterproof rated and also has aluminum IK10 vandal proof and a wide working temperature range from -40 degrees up to 75 degrees, which is ideal to resist outdoor harsh environment. It is compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF, AT, and BT standard, provides 60 watts of power maximum, and also serve PoE PTZ cameras and Wi-Fi 6 station perfectly. And next to me, we have our switches. Now the first one is our 4-port managed PoE power switch. It is a cost-effective network expansion device with PoE pass-through feature to deliver robust network performance with no hassle, and support multiple PoE devices by utilizing the existing network or cabling. It's compatible with IEEE 802.3 AF, AT, and BT standard. And also the 4-port power switch can support up to 95 watts power input from an 802.3 BT PoE injector with a total power budget of 65 watts and power output up to 30 watts per port. And beneath it, we have our 4-port long-range PoE switch. It has PoE power extender feature to break maximum PoE distance for IP devices requiring a continuous Ethernet run of 1,500 feet, and also a maximum of 500-meter Ethernet cable or PoE connection between the long-range PoE switch and the HPDs, such as PoE camera. And also it is compatible with the IEEE 802.3 AF and AT standard, support PoE and PoE Plus, and supply up to 30 watts of power output per port. And last but not least, we have our 8-port 2.5G unmanaged switch with 10G uplink. Now this is the perfect solution to dramatically speed up your network to support 2.5G. Equipped with 8 RJ45 ports that provide multi-gigabit speed up to 2.5 gigabit per second for high bandwidth workload. And also future-proof 10G Ethernet for massive data transfer and potential network expansion. It has wide operating temperature range from 0 degree up to 40 degree and excellent heat dissipation system. And next is the wireless Ethernet extension solution. Now it offers flexible alternative for expanding network coverage seamlessly. The mesh Wi-Fi system functions by creating a network of interconnected nodes and enhancing coverage and reliability compared to traditional extenders. Mesh network dramatically adapt to changing environment, providing a robust solution for overcoming dead zone and extending Ethernet connectivity wirelessly. And wireless bridges, as dedicated point-to-point solution, establish a direct link between 2 points, excelling in a scenario where a direct high-speed connection is crucial. These bridges are particularly effective for connecting buildings, overcoming physical obstacles, or establishing connection in remote location where laying cables might be impractical. And for wireless extension solution, we have the dual-band Wi-Fi 6 access point. Now with speed up to 3 times faster than the Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6 helps accommodate the growing number of mobile and IoT devices and guarantees seamless streaming and rapid downloads for every user. Moreover, it can efficiently connect multiple devices simultaneously in crowded area. Wi-Fi 6 access point also provide extended coverage, which eliminate dead spot and ensure a strong signal throughout a home or office. It supports wireless speed up to 1,800 megabit per second and ensuring faster download and connect up to 128 client devices simultaneously in high-density environment. It also supports both DC and 802.3 AF PoE for flexible installation, and no need to install additional power cords. And next to me, we have our 5 GHz 802.11 AC outdoor wireless bridges. Now they pair in the applications at outdoor harsh environment where are hard to access network to get high speed and safe network with a long distance. And it is specially designed to extend network transmission range by building high-speed point-to-point or point-to-multipoint wireless communication to provide network for remote IP devices deployment. And you're able to set up a wireless connection at a maximum of 900 megabit per second transmission range within 3 kilometers transmission range with no obstacles in between. And besides, you can match the wavelength of each bridge easily by only pressing a single button without complicated configuration on the web. And lastly, we're going to talk about the fiber optic solution. It offers a high-performance alternative for extending Ethernet connection with Ethernet over fiber technology and harnessing the speed and efficiency of fiber optic cables. And this solution enables the seamless extension of Ethernet network over considerable distances. And the advantage of using fiber optic include unparalleled data transfer rate, immunity to electromagnetic interference, and the ability to cover long distances without signal degradation. However, considerations such as installation costs and specialized equipment requirements need attention. Overall, Ethernet over fiber provides a robust and reliable solution for extending Ethernet connectivity, particularly in scenarios demanding high-speed data transmission and immunity to environmental factors that may affect traditional copper-based solutions. And let me introduce you to the equipment that will be needed in a fiber optic setup. This one right here is our 10G fiber media converter. It can provide a cost-effective solution to connect Ethernet devices over a fiber backbone and convert the electrical signal into fiber optical signal and easily extend your network over 20 kilometers at lightning-fast data transfer rate of up to 10 gigabit per second over a single mode fiber. It is ideal for a point-to-point link and also work with no problem when mixing 2.5G, 5 or 10G devices. So it has a compact size and IP30 metal housing. It also has 6 kV surge protection, and the working temperature range is from 0 degree up to 50 degrees. And next to it, we have our Gigabit Ethernet conversion kit. Now this kit includes 2 media converters and 2 SFP transceiver, power adapters, and a 300 meters pre-made fiber optic cable. Now by leveraging the benefit of fiber optic, this media conversion kit allows you to transmit data up to 20 kilometers at a data transfer rate of 1000 megabit per second. And it also offers gigabit bandwidth, fast network speed over a single mode LC fiber. And since we're using pre-made fiber optic cable, so we don't need to worry about the connector. And it's also 100% tested in the factory to ensure smooth data communication. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us. We'll love to hear your thoughts and experience. So feel free to leave a comment below and engage with us. You can share your insights, questions, or any topic that you would like to cover in the future. Your feedback is invaluable, and we look forward to building a conversation with you.